years, one thing I've noticed is that I've heard so many terrible timeshare ownership stories, and one of the things that sticks out to me the most is that so many of our clients bought the timeshare 10, 15, 20 years ago. It seemed like a good idea at the time, and I've had clients that have even told me that they've never even been back to the timeshare since they bought it. So 10, 15 years of maintenance fee payments, club dues, membership, exchange fees, all this stuff, it adds up. And so for us to be able to step in and put that savings back into our client's pocket is so important.
Our company legally and permanently terminates any timeshare contract out there, freeing consumers from all future financial obligations to the ownership.
Our experience with Resort Release was really great. From the first moment that they called us with the initial questions and told us the process, it was explained to us in detail and in the simplest of terms that made us understand what our responsibilities were and what their responsibilities were, and it really was a very simple process.
We've heard some of the worst stories out there from consumers who owe more on their timeshares than they actually owe on their house. People that have lost their retirement money, people that have lost parts of their 401k to their timeshares. We are able to stop that drain. We're able to stop the future fees, all because we offer a service that does what we say we do, and that's in the timeshare.